permanent, all-pervading entity, a state of being, choiceless awareness, pure consciousness, absolute existence, consciousness, bliss. All are synonyms, explained differently for different people. But if you have only an intellectual, and no, I have understood this as awareness, and then the next day that I see that I'm in pain. We know how much you have understood. We know it. Teacher knows it. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, 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 Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it in your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, Stephen?
Good. That was a really good lesson and meditation. I think from the moment I closed my eyes, I felt this just wave of relaxation start from the top of my head right through my legs and into the mat that I'm sitting on. And then the meditation was just quiet. And the only thought that came to my mind was this aha moment of the fact that I'm in search of the real self, when in actuality, the real self is already here. And I in search of the awareness of all the junk that gets in the way that stops the fact that the real self is all here. And it was just a simple concept that I just feel totally relaxed and happy. So thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful narration. You see that? So my mind should give a clear thought, clarity of the thought, because thought contains the knowledge. So when you express the thought, what remains is the knowledge. What is that knowledge? That knowledge is consciousness. And what is that consciousness? That is I am. Are you, Anastasia?
Thank you. I'm very good. It was deep and quiet and really quick.
Good.
So, and heavy.
Yeah.
But with pleasure. This heaviness is pretty much, it pampers me. I don't know how to.
Yeah, that's good.
Comfortable.
Yeah, that pleasure or happiness is not dependent on anything outside. So hence, it is good. Very good. How are you, David and Jerry?
Thank you very much for that. I found the discussion very powerful, which led to a meditation somewhat similar to Stephen's meditation, in that I was just focused in awareness, and I can't remember feeling so relaxed as I am right now. Thank you.
It's a beautiful. Thank you, David. So the way you all have been explaining, Now you understand that we understood that very knowledge part. The moment the mind understands that knowledge, it is nothing but awareness. In that field of awareness, instant, there is a revelation of relaxation and a calmness. You did nothing. And that takes long time for people to understand that without doing anything, how can I relax? How beautiful. How are you, Jen?
Sorry, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, the awareness is there. I think the knowledge, the faith, all of that is there. We're always calm. We're always calm no matter what kind of turbulence outside's going on. We're still bringing our calmness to that.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Because calmness is there.
Right.
That's why we say it is our essential nature.
and also just the judgment, some of those attachments, labels and stuff, the mind doesn't even want to do that anymore, you know?
Beautiful. That is beautiful. How are you, Sam?
Good. Today was more light and peaceful.
More light and peaceful. Every day you wake up in the morning, find you are calm and peaceful. You talk to anyone and everyone, find you are calm and peaceful. I'm extending your statement. How are you, Brandy? And then we'll go to Kate.
I'm calm and peaceful. Really, I am. And my practice was too. And I realized that when thoughts did present, that sometimes when they're not focused on awareness, my mind thinks it's being helpful. I realize that like most of the time when I get these thoughts that I don't want to deal with, my mind thinks it's being helpful, but it's not really being helpful. I have to shut that down and come back.
Yeah.
So thank you.
You are right. So, sometimes there is a period of going up and down. There is a going up. There are many periods of ups and downs. We find the peace, we lost the peace. We find the peace, we lost the peace. But even that movement is good and okay if we continue the journey, because then it helps us to know how the mind causes this ignorance and how to drop it. We are settled there. How are you, Kate?
Thank you for everybody. Thank you for being here. Trying to form words for just an awareness of impressions.
Yeah.
And then letting them come and letting them go.
Yeah.
Very, very lovely practice.
Very lovely. That's wonderful. How are you, Ashok?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
I am very peaceful, calm, and relaxed.
Very good. That is what we always wanted. Beautiful. How are you, Terry?
I was relaxed. I was almost asleep the whole time, but not asleep.
Good.
That's
okay.
I heard everything, and it was consistent the whole time. So that was good.
If it is consistent the whole time, it can happen all the time. And if it can happen all the time, so where is your problem? There is no problem.
It helps to have your eyes closed because
That
helps to minimize your thoughts.
Good. How are you, Vaibhav?
So I'm good. It's like that to every change that is happening in my mind, behind that the consciousness is there, then only I can notice that change. And when the change is also not there, then also the consciousness is there. So I'm aware with that. And it was like, then it was plain and then it was peaceful.
It's beautiful. Did you notice that changes are taking place, consciousness is there. Changes are not taking place as the mind feels, then the consciousness is still there. And that is always there in us.
मैं नहीं और वेट कर सकता, मुझे खाना खाना है। 2 घंटे से मैं आप लोग का वेट कर रही हूँ।
You see that, Ashok family is talking. It's okay. They are talking that you should eat your food. Leave meditation.
No, we are in we are in Manali, sir.
Okay, yeah, very good. It's a hill station. That is all. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
everyone.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Girish, I have a question actually.